Hello everyone, I'm Babak from ARPonix. I'm going to talk about Kafka troubleshooting meta.properties explained clearly. I received some feedback from friends and subscribers about my previous video Kafka troubleshooting. Many of you said that some parts were unclear, especially around the topics of meta.properties. So in this video, I want to clarify exactly what I meant, correct misunderstanding, and explain the topic step by step. I prepared a text file to show the steps that we should aware about it, and also what we must to do. First of all, we are going to check Kafka service, but before that, let me show the text file. You know, we have two situations about this matter, the clean installation versus production that have existing data. So we are separated this type. First of all, we check the Kafka, as I mentioned, sudo systemctl status Kafka. As you can see in the video, it's failed to start. So something goes wrong with the service at this moment. Then we shoot something to resolve this problem. If this is a fresh Kafka installation and you have no data, then deleting meta.properties is safe. Why? Because Kafka will create meta.properties automatically when it starts, and there's no existing data to lose. But in the another one, so we have data. So we cannot delete meta.properties because we will lose all data inside, and we have to approach to solve this problem with another way. So first of all, cat the meta.properties somewhere that you have installed. So here is the home Kafka meta.properties, and you can see the Cluster.id and a string about the Cluster.id. So if you copy Kafka, or maybe some another way, or maybe some change and some problem and conflict with this service, so the zookeeper has the correct data. We can copy and paste cluster ID from that one here. So, but maybe we have the two, or maybe one, two, or maybe another metadata properties log file. So we have to find all of them by sudo find /name meta.properties -type f -exec cat bracket and \semicolon. So we have to run a shell, as you see in the video, sudo home Kafka Kafka bin zookeeper-shell.sh localhost :2181. When you insert so get /cluster/id. This ID that you can see in the video is a correct actually data, and we are going to copy this one inside meta.property. So copy this ID and then we have to sudo nano home Kafka logs dash / meta.properties. So we can edit it with, yes, sudo nano home Kafka logs meta.properties sudo, and paste that string here in the cluster.id equal from zookeeper data. After that, we are going to restart the Kafka service. But remember, don't change anything else. Broker ID or maybe anything else. Leave all the default value that they have. Okay, so after that, we can check Kafka. Restart the Kafka service, and then we check the Kafka status. First, sudo systemctl restart Kafka. Restart. I forgot it. Restart Kafka, and then we should check by the systemctl status Kafka. Status Kafka. So yeah, that's it. And as you can see, it's active and running without any problem. So it's everything is correct. So by this method, we can solve the problem if we have data and we cannot delete meta.properties. So this part, by method of this part, we can approach to solve the problem without any issue. So this is the way that solve this problem. And I'm going to share this file in the GitHub or maybe another website or somewhere everyone can access it to use these commands to approach and solve the problem as I mentioned before. I guess I said anything that need to solve the problem, but remember we have two different method to the approach to this problem when we have no any data over the new installation, and we have the data and we won't be able to delete it because all data will be vanished if we do something like that. This is a very important thing that I should mention about it. So anything else? I did all things that we need. Yeah. Okay, everyone. I said everything that we need. So see you in the next video. I'm going to share it very soon. So if there's any, something vague or something, unclear, please leave me a comment or send me an email. I will answer about anything, everything that you have problem about it. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.